see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Yeah, hi guys. Hi guys.
Let's Good Friday!
So, hindi pwede yung, di ba, karne ngayon. So, ang aming imumukbang, Mami eat. Para lang naman, Mami drive. Wait, can Mami talk? Yung imumukbang namin is, eto yung maliit na tuna. So, prinito ko lang siya. Tapos, meron kaming,
This is tuna.
yeah, this is tuna. And meron kaming, salted egg. And also, naggulay ako ng, ayan, malunggay. Hindi ko alam kung makita nyo. Ayan, malunggay. Tapos, yung mga bata, sineparate ko sila ng, yung sabaw, para may sabaw. Baba! Naiyak! Baba! Okay. Okay, let's pray now first.
Name of Father,
Son,
Holy Spirit. Amen. Papa Jesus, thank you for our food.
Okay, anak. Yes, Baba. Come on, eat rice now. Rice now muna, please. Gustong-gusto nila yung apple. Kanina pa nila yan, kinakain. Rice, please. Come on, Baba. Eat rice now.
Those please.
Okay, sauce. Holy, come on, eat rice, Baba. Oh. See? You know what, Kuya? What you have to do is you have to... Someone told me or someone messaged or comment that we have to wet our hands para daw hindi so the rice won't stick on your hands. Kaso wala tayong Okay. And tawag nun? Baba, kailangan ko tong Wait, Mommy has to... Kuya, you wait for me, ha? Himayin ko tong itong... Because there's a lot of bone for this one. Mommy need to himay. To pick. So you have to chew, ha?
My turn, egg. My turn, Mama.
Yeah, wait, Baba.
I tried it before.
I know, but we have to be careful because this has bone. Maliliit pa naman yung bone niya. Ayan na naman. Honey, here's your rice. Kuya, no fighting. Honey, I give you some. Here, Baba. Here. We don't have to fight. We got lots here. And pinito ko kasi itong tostado. Kaya, ayan. Wait, Baba. Mommy is looking for the bone. Diyos ko po. Here. No bone. Upo, Kuya. Para ka naman mauubusan dyan, Kuya. Yeah, wait. No, you have to have this, the gulay na malunggay.
What?
Sauce for your rice. To make you watsa. To make
Round.
That's right.
Yes, no.
Wait, Baba. What? Here. What? It's alright. There's nothing there. Kasi mayroong mga tawag yun? Mga maliliit na...
Some more of that, please.
What? This one?
Yeah. When it cold.
Prito. No, prito.
Prito. What?
Pritong tuna.
I told it tuna.
Tuna. Wait, Baba. Si Oli. Wait, Baba. Gutom na rin si Mami. Kanina pa ako.
Carry.
I know, sharing is caring. Wait, I'm just looking for the bone, Baba. Kasi may mga maliliit siyang bone. Hindi ko alam kung makita nyo to. Ang liliit talaga ng bone. Baba, Kuya Zachary, ha? Be careful. You're right, Kuya? Slow down, Kuya.
Why are the apples, Mom?
Yeah, you can eat like dip it. Yung apple pala namin, guys, mayroong bagoong. Here, Zach, here. Here.
This one. I did my eyes.
With bagoong. Oh, here, Kuya. Oh, Holly, here for you. Oh, diba? Alam nyo ba yung apple? Inanoan ko siya. Linagyan ko siya ng... Inisquisan ko siya ng lime. Lemon dapat, kaso walang lemon.
Mom.
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah, it's alright. May dito, may mice. Hala, natakot si Kuya. Do you like the apple?
Uh-huh.
Put the here's the bagoong, I'll put bagoong on your side. So, for you to dip. Dip your apple there. Kuya.
Nice.
Here's your side, Kuya. Here. Holly, here's your side. Spicy yung bagoong. Hindi naman siya yung grabing spicy. Tama lang. Eat your rice, please, okay? Not just the apple and bagoong, ha? Naalala nyo yung nag-challenge kami? Yung first, na pinakaunang challenge, yung ang ginawa namin is, first time nila yan na matry yung bagoong nung dinip nila. What did you dip there, Kuya?
Chips.
Chips. Yung
And
french
I
fries.
had fry.
Yes. Dip it there, Sak. Kuya, si Kuya, hindi pa siya nakakapag-fish.
And this plate.
Yeah, wait, gulay. You have to eat gulay to make you strong. Yung ano lang dito, ang ayoko lang sa malunggay na nabibili. Frozen kasi ito eh. Yung mahaba pa yung ano, yung tangkay. Tangkay ba ang tawag doon?
Measure, Mama.
Parang, ako parang mabubulon. Kaya, careful, why?
Measure, Mama.
Ha?
Hey.
Yours too? Here, Papa. Dahan-dahan lang.
I don't like it.
Yummy. Wow, you like it?
I don't like it.
Ano you eat? Come on.
Why you ate it?
You make,
I don't like it.
you don't like it?
I don't like it.
Just, oh, it's alright.
And first,
You said you don't like it and you're eating it. Come on. Si Jang kararating lang din niya. Bago ka mag-start, kararating lang din niya. Ang ano niya, hi daddy. Linutuan ko na siya ng ano, ng, tawag nun?
noodles.
Prawns. Ayun si daddy, peace daw. Come on kuya, eat. Ako na nga, subo rin ako, gutom na ako. Lagyan ko kuha ko ng konting, hindi ko kasi ito linagyan ng sili. Yung ano niya, yung linagay ko dito sa malunggay is, tawag nun? Ano bang tawag sa bangot sa Tagalog? Instead na hipon, ang linagay ko is, yes.
Why do we have a spoon for this?
Do you want a spoon? No, you don't know. You just do this like, you have to eat with the tomato, kuya, because it's good. Okay? Si kuya, hindi ko nabibigyan ng ulam. Wait, kuya.
I got fish there.
Okay, eat the fish.
More.
Manners.
Fish plate. I'm a fish.
Oh, come on, eat your rice na. Not just the apple and bagoong, ha? Nanood ba kayo, guys, ng ano, yung mukbang ni Anakay na, mangga, tapos may bagoong. Habang nanonood ako, ang ginawa ko, nag-squeeze ako ng maraming lime sa apple.
Mama?
No, don't squeeze, Baba. And, you don't squeeze, Baba. And, yeah, nagdip ako sa ano. Eto, ganito, dinip ko talaga siya kasi naglalaway talaga ako. Sabi ko, pag uwi ko sa probinsya, baka makahanap din akong ganun. Sana season, no? Parang hindi din eh. So, yun ang ginawa ko habang nanood. Ang sarap. Masarap talaga yun. Yung baby mango na yung buto, baby pa talaga.
Not a rotten apple.
Ha?
No,
Yes, of
a
course you
rotten
can.
apple.
What's that, Baba? Aray ko, hala. Yung kuko ko, tingnan nyo. Ano, Baba? What do you want? Eat, Baba. Yung kuko ko, mag-isang buwan na to, ang sumusukol na, eto, minaitiban ko na siya kasi sumasabit na siya sa, wait, Baba, sumasabit na siya sa buhok ko. Wait, Baba. Kasi baka may, may buto. Eat your gulay. Ang sarap ng gulay. Hindi na ako
That's
makapag-
not too late fish. Oh.
It's a gulay. Gulay, say gulay. Gulay is vegetables. Say gulay. Okay. You're right, kuya? I put sabaw. Yung pagluto ko ng ng gulay, yung akin,
Can I get sauce?
yes, kuya.
Mama.
Ano? Okay. That's it. Okay, that's it, Baba. Here, kuya. Wait, Mommy's just gonna get some. Kasi gusto ko siyang lagyan ng chili powder. Wala kasi akong, sili. Ay. Baba, you got lots of rice, or Baba? You got lots of rice. Sus, may nakita akong buto. What? Kuya, you got alright. Hala, pinagsabay-sabay na ni Kuya. Move your drink, please. What? Wait, Baba, wait. Eto, here, Holly. Si Holly copycat to eh. Try it, sa. Wait, Holly. Wait for your turn. Okay, wait for your turn. Here. Here,
I
show.
want to try.
Yeah, wait. Oh, Holly.
Oh.
And that's it, Holly. Eat, please.
Try.
No, you don't have to try here. Here. Huh. Try. Here. Is it yummy? Natatakot talaga ako kasi may mga madaliit na buto. No. Holly, I put some of... It's on your rice now. What's that? Dip your,
Yes, no.
Careful with the bone,
I
ha?
can never
Baba,
hate the apple.
look at this.
She's not eating that, Mom.
No, I'm just wiping this baba off.
Mom, how come you got a heaps of apple? Mama.
Because I haven't eaten my apple. Ba't daw maraming
Oh, wait,
apple
some?
ko? Ang sarap. Oh, pakita ko ulit sa inyo yung gulay na malunggay
Apple.
na may sardinas. Rice, please. Here. Eat rice?
Mom, can you put
Eat
some
rice?
more? Mom, can you put some more apples here, please? And more
Eat your rice, please, ha? Si Kuya, tingnan nyo. Hala, para silang Maglagay ako ng chili powder. May chili powder ako dito sa gilid. Ito, oh. Ilalagay ko siya sa malunggay. Tapos sa aking sausawan. Ay, ito yung sardinas, guys, oh. Baba! Wala si Holly. Ayan yung sardinas, oh. Sana makita nyo. Kamay na. Baba, eat your rice, please, si Kuya. Wow, Kuya, good boy. I give you some.
Now, what's the what's
No,
that?
Holly.
Mom, can I have that sauce now?
Which one? This one? Okay.
And back to
No, Holly, you got lots of fish here, Baba. Oh.
How much fish, please?
Okay, wait. Si Kuya, wala pa siya kahit ano. Kunti pa lang nabibigay ko kay Kuya. Kunti pa lang yung nabibigay natin kay Kuya. Kasi gusto ko kasi crispy, kaya ayan. Prinito ko talaga siya ng
Oh, I don't want to eat the tail because it's all fluffy.
Kuya, o si Kuya muna.
I eat tail.
Oh, Saki! Yes, Sak! You don't steal.
Thank
Be
you.
careful, ha? Careful, Kuya. Bite, okay? You bite.
Not
Na-
longer.
There's a, Kuya, ha? Wait,
Fine.
Sak, wait. Ako na nga, Kuya. Wait.
I'm only breaking one.
Baba, wait, Baba. Baba. Uy. Uy, that's... Kiss, halik. This is that.
Fine.
Where's Nak?
I got it on me.
Okay na.
Look at my nail.
Okay na.
Your hand. It's still in. It's still.
Ay, here, Baba, here.
Mama.
Eat rice, please. Okay, you're done. Go to Daddy now, if you're done. Kasi kanina ka pa kain ng ano.
And give me more. We're back to two.
Oh,
Apple.
Manner. No more apples, eat rice.
I don't have apple yet.
No, rice. Eat your rice, please. Eat your rice.
There's still one of Polly. Hey, Bubble.
Saki, eat your rice, please. Holly, come on. What? Is that? No apple now, huh? That's enough of apple. You've been eating
I
apple.
haven't had apple yet.
Huh? Kuya, remove your, they can't see you. Remove your drinks. Put your drinks up there. Kuya, stop of apple. Please eat your rice. Drink for Holly, please. Wala, saan ako nagsasawsaw? Kuya, careful ha. Careful ha. Yung sinasabi ko, yung kuko ko, ano na to? Siguro mahigit isang buwan na to. Ha? Kasi pinagawa ko to nung sabay kami ni Rex bago pa siya pumunta ng Philippines. Ngayon nasa ano siya, patapos ng bakasyon niya sa Japan. Yung nails ko okay pa rin siya. Ito lang na isa. Yes?
Fish. What's the
Fish?
first?
Okay, wait.
Whoever say first gets to put it on here first.
Here, Kuya. Wait, Kuya. Here's for you. Holly, you got lots of... Wala nang fish si Holly. Wala ka nang fish. Careful, ha? Still double check, Kuya, ha? Here's Holly.
Hey, John.
You're welcome.
He always did longer.
What do you mean?
JJ.
What?
What?
Fish?
Yeah, he did longer fish.
You like the fish?
Yeah. I'm touching his bone. Eating, Mama.
Yeah, I know, but you don't eat that because it's gonna... It's in the microwave, Han. It's already hot.
Microwave pan. It's already hot.
I'm just gonna give you rice.
Mom, I want a lot of fish, please. I want a
Wait,
lot
Papa, wait. Here. I can... Come on. Give me... It's still hot. Si Jen naghahanap ng rice. Tapos na siyang maligo. It's still hot, Han.
No more fish, please.
Okay, wait.
I love all this, Mama.
Yeah, here.
No.
Eat your rice, Zachary, huh? Here, Holly, here.
Dad, Danaher did a good job today. Yep, he marked it.
I think...
Dad, he
that's
marked
there
it.
for Han.
Dad, Danaher marked it.
You hungry, Dad? Not as I didn't. It went down my clear, Daddy.
Do you want fish
Dad,
down?
where's that other? Where that's also over there.
Do you want fish now, Daddy? Oh, you're hungry, Han?
Oh.
Because you get lots of rice.
One more, please. I have some rice.
Huh?
I
Here, Baba, oh.
just want more apple.
No more apple, Sak. You had a lot of apple.
I just want apple.
Huh?
I don't do it, Mom.
Hmm?
Mama, I
Do
just
that?
want some rice. So can I
One more fish, please,
That's my
too.
favorite.
And Mom, more fish too,
Okay.
please.
And Mom.
Holly, come on. If you're gonna play, go to Daddy now.
Mom.
Huh? Go to Daddy.
Just put me in heaps, please.
I know, but I have to watch for the bone, Holly. Holly, come on. Sandali nga. Gutom na ako, eh.
Mama.
The bone.
Let me see. No bone.
Wait, Mom. Wait, Mom.
Wait.
No, five.
Here.
Reading too
Five,
fast.
Mama.
Eat the egg salted egg, please. Right.
When you finish your salted egg.
No, you don't bite, Baba. Baba, bone, bone. Ah. You don't bite this, Baba. My God, what can I hear? No, Baba.
This one.
No. You don't bite like that.
Funny Kuya.
It's not funny.
Funny Kuya.
It's not funny. So, it's not funny, please. Yeah, Baba, oh. Here. Baba.
Not funny.
It's not funny. Don't laugh.
I literally spitted water out.
Wait, Baba. Wait, Baba. I'm looking for the bone.
Not fun.
Yeah, there's bone, oh,
Ow,
see?
ow.
Oh yeah.
So we have to be careful.
But I have apples.
Mom, more fish, please.
Yeah, wait.
Mom.
Wait.
Mommy. I want more fish. I love the fishes. Thank you, fish. Oh.
Where's my fish?
In a minute, it's coming. Wait, Holly. Eat rice too, please. Sharing is caring. This is for Kuya TJ and Kuya Sak. Kuya,
Fish.
Pancake.
And some more.
What?
Sak, eat rice, please.
I'm not eating.
Eat a lot of rice, please.
I need no rush. I feel like jumping brain.
Holly.
Mom, that sauce, please, again.
Wait, Baba. You have to do sabaw of this first, Tyra.
Yep.
The vegetables.
What's the bow?
Baba, if you're playing, you're going inside with Daddy. Yeah.
I don't want to.
Well, you don't press because Papa Jesus is gonna be upset. You don't play with the food.
Mom.
Oh, watch out for the bone, huh?
My mom is adding that
In a
sauce over
minute.
there.
In a minute, Kuya.
Mama.
Dad!
Sak, give it to Sak. Kuya TJ, please,
What's
ha?
it longer?
You have to eat your rice. You're not eating your rice. You just eat fish. Baba, ako na nga. Baba.
Fair.
What? And that. Give me some, please.
Alright.
Holly, eat your fish. Eat your rice.
Fish.
In a minute, Allah.
Boom. Like Mom.
Love you too. Sak. Here's yours, Baba. Here's yours. Wait, Baba, ha? Mommy, look for the bone. Here, Baba. Oh. Eat your rice, please. Wala nang rice.
Yeah, because TJ's being
Who?
greedy.
Who?
I mean, TJ's being greedy.
No, it's not.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, Kuya's hungry. Kuya loves rice. Wala nang rice.
I need to watch out for bones. I'm a wife. It's hard.
That's good. Akin na. Namatay na naman kayo. Ang last namin, ganun din, namatay siya. Baba,
On my way.
that's my rice.
It is my daddy's house.
Oh, it's not a cabias. Come on, Baba. Sarap ng gulay. Oy. Yung sa Bicol, yung paggawa ko nito, ang term sa Bicol, naglalana
Big.
naglalana yung
big, Mommy.
gulay. Huh?
That's big.
Mm-hmm.
This is off. Mom, that's mine. It's for life. Here's that. Is that Mommy?
Okay, eat please. Good girl. Sarap. Sarap, Kuya. Kuya, you're out of the table now, Kuya. Can you move your sack? Because look at Kuya.
Ow.
Rice
Kuya.
everywhere.
Are you alright? Look at all the rice. Can you move all your rice, Kuya? Kasi
Mom,
tingnan mo rice.
look.
It's alright.
No more rice.
Yeah, we got more rice.
Look, good fish on.
Now
Mom?
finish that first.
Kuya.
Mom, should be able to that other sauce.
Ha?
Sauce, please.
Wait.
The babaw.
Sabaw muna, Kuya. I told you,
And the
eat this
other.
first. Eat this one, ha?
And
It's all
the-
on the side.
Babaw.
Sak. Ano na, Sak? Kuya, Kuya, you're not eating your rice, Sak. Eat your rice. Si Kuya
Ma'am?
parang isang kaldero na yung maliit.
Other
na-
sauce now. Mom, other sauce now, please.
In a minute, Kuya. That's it, Holly. Ah. Eat the salted egg, please.
Yeah, I know.
Stop.
Hurry up, Sak.
He's like,
Holly.
On my head. Come on. You're welcome, Mama.
Thank you.
What? That's your wife.
Kuya,
That's your wife.
Sak, eat your rice.
I don't need fish. I've got fish. I've got heaps of fish.
Okay, it's alright. Oh, Sak, eat your rice. Please finish that, Sak, ha?
Dad, I had 5 plates. Dad, I had 5 plates. Dad, I want apple.
Yeah, she's been eating apple. Eat Holly, please.
No.
Nakakamiss, ano ba kayo? Tawag na? Bisita iglesia.
Ma,
Yun ang namimiss ko pag
Mama.
Ha?
Okay,
What?
twice.
Kuya, eat the egg, salted egg, please.
Wait. Look, look.
Mom, you said
No.
Look. Wait, look. Wait.
Mom, you said nothing will. If you put wood, nothing will stick to your hand.
Sometimes it does. It's alright. Come on. Can you get all your rice here, Kuya? Because it's on the table now. It's on the...
Mom, that's a bit spicy.
Got more fish, ha?
Yeah, please.
Finish your rice, ha?
What, me?
Mm-hmm. You're right.
I'm not like that, Mom.
Huh?
Like it.
No, finish that one.
Hi.
Wait, that's for Kuya Sak. Don't eat too much.
I wanted that one. And then I introduce some.
Or else you're not gonna have your... Ano, TJ? Sige. You're the one been picking all the rice.
Mom,
Finish that one. Hurry up.
Oh, that's just little. I want to sound like that.
Mom, can I have an apple?
Yeah, and then apple and rice.
That's hard.
Mm.
Not Papa's hard.
Yung kaya dito, bukas, yan pa yung ulam ko.
Kumain ka.
Bukas, anong kaya pa ulam ko sa mga bata? Sarap ng gulay. Wala kasi ako yung siling haba. So, kaya ang linagay ko na lang, may chili powder ako, or chili flakes.
Mama?
You want more rice?
No. Mama,
Oh, alright, you do it. Ibabalik niya. Kasi siyang kukuha. Iba din to. Okay?
My, it's too big. I just cut it.
It's too big daw. Ikakat niya. Fish baba, Sak?
Huh?
I like fish.
Oh, wait. It's a bone. Wait.
Mom, we don't have that much salted egg.
You want more salted egg? Yeah. Yeah.
Mom, how come you're not that much hungry till you're not eating everything?
I am eating,
Well,
but
why are you not eating the egg?
I am eating my egg. I'm just too busy picking the fish for you, kiddos. Because I don't want you to get the bone. Wait, Holly. Wait,
They're
Baba.
always doing.
Okay. Watch out, huh? Watch out for the... Here's Holly, oh.
I don't eat the egg this time.
Yeah?
I thought it down.
What are we gonna do first?
What we gonna do?
Fun is eggs.
Play. Not play. My cousin. We found some eggs at golf.
Na-try nyo na bang isaw-saw yung bagoong yung apple sa bagoong? Ang sarap, guys. Tas,
Yeah.
That's one.
Hmm?
One under.
Here. My door.
What? Oh, don't!
I love your mom.
I love you too. What are you making?
Egg castle.
Gagawa siya ng castle. Siya na lang yung may kanin.
Door.
Huh?
And my door, mommy.
Is that the door?
Yeah.
Oh.
And then this tree.
Okay,
That's
this
the
is
twist?
the person. That cannot open.
Whoa. Oh, my door.
Ay, ang sarap. Kayo, anong ano niyo? Anong
Oh, I
pagkain niyo ngayong Good Friday, people? Ask them what they're eating, kuya. Today. Ask them, look at them. Ano po?
Ano po?
Look. Ano po?
Ano po?
How old are you?
Ang kinakain
Nakain
ninyo
ninyo
ngayong
ngayong
Good
Good
what? Good
Friday.
Friday. You know what, in the Philippines, kuya, they're doing visiting, I think 7 church. They call that 7 Visita de Iglesia.
You're watching too, parang.
Oh, busog na ako. Pero si kuya sa amin ang pinakamaraming nakain.
Mom, can I have more chicken? I mean the.
Faith?
Yes, please. Hi, Johnny. Hi, Johnny.
Oh, it's mom's birthday today. Oh, it's Nana's birthday pala.
How old is she?
Nasa Adelaide si Nana. Yeah.
How old is she?
You're gonna say bye-bye now first before you go. Okay, pray first. Pray and thank you for the food. In the Father,
In the Father, Son,
the
Holy Spirit.
Amen. Papa Jesus, thank you for my food.
And say goodbye na to everyone. And then say Happy Easter.
Bye.
guys.
Happy Easter.
Happy
And
Easter.
there's 2 more slaves for Easter.
Yeah.
And happy name.
Okay, say bye guys. Thank you guys. So, ngayon pala, kaya namin to nagagawa ang ganito kasi 2 weeks holiday sila. So, ano na, 1 week na lang pala kasi tapos na rin kasi Friday na. Oy, baba! So, kaya nagagawa namin to. Nag-ano yung paa ni kuya. And meron pa akong gustong gawin. Meron kami dyan. Nag-subscribe kasi ako sa isang, sa ano siya, sa Japan ko siya. Hoy, open door daw please, kuya! Yun nga, ang tawag nun.
Kuya, open this my door.
Open please! Yung sinasabi ko, meron kami, sana magawa namin kasi ngayon napaka-busy ng mga bata. Kahit bakasyon, busy sila. Tulad kay kuya. Si Kuya TJ, kararating lang nila kagabi. Umalis sila nung Wednesday. Kasi nga, pumunta ulit sila sa Adelaide kasi sa golf lesson nila. So, may 2 weeks sa 2 weeks holiday din sa golf. Pero si Kuya, nag-golf pa rin sila. May lesson pa rin siya kahapon. At saka, kahapon. So, yun, busy sila. Kaya hindi namin magagawa. Yung sinasabi ko is yung gusto kong gawin yung yung Tokyo Treats. Kasi nag-subscribe ako sa kanila. Alam niyo ba, ang dami ko ng box kasi hindi namin magawa-gawa kasi walang time ganito, mag-sit down. Ngayon lang kasi eto, nagmumukbang. Tapos si Kuya kahapon, dapat nung Wednesday, umalis si Kuya nga, di ba? So sana magawa namin yun, hopefully bukas. Parang, ewan ko, baka may ganun pa naman sila eh. So yun yung abangan nyo, yung itatry namin Tokyo Treats. So yun, ang dami ng box ko, siguro 5. Every month kasi nung nag-start ako mag-subscribe pala sa kanila is nung patapos na yung December, like siguro mga December 20, after Christmas na. Then nung January, sinendan nila ako after 2 weeks ng January, sinendan nila akong isa. Tapos after 2 weeks naman, mayroon naman isa. Yung sinend nilang una is for December treats, tapos January naman. So sa January, 2 yung napadala nila. Inabisi kami, di ba? Mayroon akong bisita, tapos punta kami ng Adelaide, yung mga bata, activities. So walang time kaming mag-sit down na para itry yun. So hopefully, sana bukas or basta ngayon sana magawa namin yun. So yun, abangan nyo yun guys. So yun na guys, sana nagustuhan nyo ulit itong mukbang namin. And yeah, happy Easter. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Bye. Ang dami ko. Eto, kakainin ko pa ito mamaya. Mamaya na lang guys. Kainin ko pa yan. Bye now. Bye. And eto yung kay Jan, creamy garlic lobster. And nalinis ko na yung upuan and yung table. And ganito ko pala ginagawa. Pagkatapos namin magmukbang, ang ginagawa ko dun sa banana, dito sa dahon ng saging, is rino-roll up ko lang na ganito. And yeah, hindi siya messy. Ganyan lang, oh. Tapos, tingnan nyo yung kanin. Ang dami nitong kanin. Ayan na lang yung natira, oh. Yun lang, pinakita ko lang sa inyo. So, thank you ulit, guys. Good night. And happy Easter.
Paradise, tell me who you seek.